Hi students, in this video I will teach you movements of objects. That means objects you could take, see, like duster, it is also an object. Marker, this is also an object. Charger, object. Lock, this is an objects. Movements means moving, how they move. For example, I will take book. Okay. Just assume, see, this is the charger, right? I'm placing here. Okay. See, I have placed here, right? If this stays there only, then there is no movement. See, this object is not moving. Wherever I have placed, it is staying the same place. It is not moving at all. But when I push like this, see, it is moving. Correct? It was first here in this place only. When I push it like this, it is moved, it is moving. See, this charger moved from this place to this moving is there, no, this is so moving. So this is object, this object is moving, so that is called movement of objects. Okay, I hope you understood movements of objects. What is that meaning? Okay, I just now I showed here. So this is the movement. Okay, next. Okay, in movements of objects there are two types. One is rolling, another one is sliding. Okay, first I will take example for rolling. If you take objects which have circle shaped objects, like for example coin. If you take a coin, it is circle shaped, right? Next to wheels, if you take a car, the wheels will be circle shaped. Okay, circle shaped, right? So when we push like this, it will roll, right? Like this. The wheel, if consider this as a wheel, this will move like this. That's called rolling. I will show. See, I will take this chalk piece only. Okay, here it is. See. Okay, I placed here. So I will just apply force. I will push this. See how it is moving. See, this is called rolling. So this movement is there, no? That is rolling. Another example is ball. You will use ball, right? Ball is what? It's kind of, it's not exactly circle. We will say the shape of ball is spherical. Right here, shape of ball is spherical. Spherical, okay? Spherical shaped objects and circle shaped objects. See, I have shown, just now I have shown, movement of chalk piece is called rolling, right? I said circle shaped objects and spherical shaped objects. For circle shaped objects, example is what? Wheels of a car and coin. So coin will be like this, right? See, circle shaped. Okay. Spherical means it's ball shaped. Ball shape is there, that we call spherical shape. Ball shaped objects and circle shaped objects movement is there, no, that is called rolling. Just now I shown chalk piece, so it's moving like just now I shown, right? So this is called rolling. I said circle shaped objects will roll. If you consider a chalk piece, see this side it is like circle only. This side and even this side also. Okay. Chalk piece comes with circle shape and I will see I have taken another chalk piece. So see here. This is circle shape, right? See. This is similar to this side also circle shape. Since I have written on the board that some of the powder gone, okay, circle shape is not visible. Actually chalk piece this side you take, it is circle shaped. So circle shaped objects will move, so that movement is called rolling. Okay, like if you throw ball, how it goes? Like this, like this, like this. Okay, that's called rolling. I just now I shown the movement of chalk piece. That's rolling. If it wheels, have you seen the how car is going? While car is moving, observe the wheels how they move. Like this, like this, like okay. You've seen, right? So that movement is called rolling. So examples: chalk piece movement, and this ball movement, that is rolling. Next, I said another example: wheels of car. The car wheels movement is rolling. Next, coin. If you just throw coin like this, it will roll. Correct. So that type of movement is called rolling. I hope understood this. Next, sliding. I will show with real life example. I will take I will take this duster only. Okay, I will take this duster. So I have kept here. I have kept here. See, if I push like this, okay. So duster is moving, right? First it was here. From this place to this, it is moving. See, it is moving. This movement is called sliding. You got it? Sliding. It is not rolling. See, like ball and like this chalk piece. See how chalk piece moves. You see here. See, observe how chalk piece is moving. Just observe how duster is moving. Okay, duster is moving like this. Duster is not moving like this, like this. So chalk piece moved like this, right? Like this. But this duster is not moving like this. When I push like this, it is moving like this, like this, like this. Okay. So chalk piece moving is rolling. This duster is moving, right, like this. So this is called sliding. In the beginning shown, I have shown another example. Charger. See, charger also like chalk piece and ball. It is not moving like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. So when I push like this, see how it is moving. Observe. See from here. See, observe how it is moving. Okay. This movement is sliding. Got it? So example, I said duster movement. Duster. Another one is charger movement. Next, box. Okay. You take some box. Okay. If you take box here, a tiffin box, whatever the box, a geometry box, whatever, put here and just move like this. That movement is sliding. I have shown how the sliding will be. So got it right? Box. So these are the objects Okay, when they move, I've shown right how the charger and duster move. So that movement is called sliding. Ball, if you take a ball or a coin, the wheels, not coin, best example is car wheels. The car wheels, how they move, that is rolling. That movement is called rolling, and the ball movement is called rolling. Okay, how they move, like this, that is rolling. Sliding, you have seen how I will just now I shown how the duster moved, that is sliding. Okay. Okay, so duster and charger, whatever I shown now, they did not move like ball, like this, ball or wheels of a car. Okay, just think how they are moving. Okay, you got it right. So just final summary, the best one example for summary for remembering how the rolling will be, how the sliding will be. See, movement of the ball, how ball moves, that is rolling. And when you push duster from one place to another place, uh, uh, just now I shown, so that will be the sliding. Okay, hey, thank you. Anything, if you don't understand, if you want me to explain more, mention in the comment. I will follow your comments. According to your comments, I will make videos, I will teach the concept. Okay, thank you. Click on subscribe.